3, 2.
What is going on, everybody? It's Jordan with the Futurist Group, accompanied by TP Trades.
Yes, sir. You know it.
Of course, we are coming with our third teaching tape.
This might be the fourth. This might be the fourth one.
Fourth teaching tape.
Yes,
we are going to
sir.
go over continuations. Our last one should have been confirmations.
And liquidity.
So, yeah, and liquidity. So in our strategy, we usually look for liquidity and then a confirmation followed by a continuation, then entry to help you get in there. Yeah, this is the line of liquidity. Say there's a high up here or something. But Tim is going to go over definition and the key ideas for the most part here.
Oh, yes, sir. So we got continuations. And what did we define as confirmation as?
So confirmation was the move that gave us a sign of reversal.
Of the current trend, right?
Yeah, reversal of the current trend.
Okay. Right. So we have this confirmation. We have reversed the trend. But how do we get strength in the trend to where we know it's not a fake out? We know it's not just some sporadic move, off of news or whatever. We need to find a solid continuation. And the continuation is the move that confirms that that price is continuing the trend, the new trend. So it's basically the confirmation to the confirmation.
It's the confirmation of the confirmation. That's a good way. Really good way to put it.
And so, we just do this to avoid the bullshit, because if we saw an inverse fair value gap, a huge one, we're like, wow, price is flying down. But it could be, 9:30 New York time. Market could be opening. Shit happens. You need to have a new trend to trade on rather than it's just not safe. It goes against your risk management, which we will go over. It's just a bad trade. Goes against your psychology. And so
your risk management will just be out of whack. Your stop loss may be disproportionate to your take profit.
Of course. Yeah.
Which will put you in a really bad spot. You want to catch that continuation right after the confirmation to really get the best true entry.
That is true. To get the best stop loss, to get the best risk to reward ratio, which
that's what it's about.
Of course, we will go over that. And I want to go over our key idea, which is don't chase noise, wait for confirmation. And I think noise is almost exactly what I described, was, a market or a move in the market off of news, or maybe Trump's talking, or a market open, or anything, it could affect the market. And you want to wait for confirmation and not chase that noise, because, when you chase that noise, sometimes you go deaf and you don't listen to yourself. You're not listening, you're not tuned in. So stay out of the noise. No noise. Fuck yeah. Coco,
hey Tim?
I'm going to go over the imbalances here.
Okay.
No. Ooh, holy moly. You want me to do imbalances? I'm going to do imbalances. He just found a really good quote.
Let's just go.
Wow. All right. Imbalances it's basically a large move in the market, and they can be formed off of these crazy moves. But imbalances are powerful because it is a point where price flew through and there's no wicks there, and it never revisited. And so how do you know what an imbalance is in the market? It is a 3-stick pattern. I'm going to have I'll stand right here in front of Coco because I'm going to have some pictures that come in on this side. Thanks, future Tim. Imbalances is a 3-candlestick pattern where the wicks of, there's a middle one that's big and has a gap, and the wicks of the other two don't intersect each other. And it doesn't matter how big they are. Our mentor, TJR, he always said that fair value gaps, imbalances are like cocks.
Yep, precisely.
And it doesn't matter, what size it is. It matters how you respect it.
The one thing that does matter is the time frame on the imbalance.
Time frames matter with all of these. With confirmations, continuations, time frames matter a lot. And always remember, the higher the time frame, the higher the power. And the higher the time frame, the longer the move will take and last. So remember that. If you see a 1 hour or a daily fair value gap and it goes in, you're not going to expect it to bounce right out. It could take a day or two for it to chill in there and leave. Like,
Indeed, it could.
Watch it as you go. Stay patient. And yeah, that's what continuations are: is staying patient, finding the better entry than a dumb one. That's continuations are patience. Like they go hand in hand.
Yeah.
Really, I think
Yeah.
so.
They truly do.
A better patient move will have a solid trend behind
Continuation
it.
to it, yeah.
Yeah, and then so imbalances. Fuck, I got off of imbalances. I'm sorry, guys. Coco's gonna take imbalances.
So
I'm sorry.
I thought Tim already did the imbalances. So an imbalance, like he did say, it is just a 3 candlestick pattern. Forget those. These three.
Yep.
Okay, and then
the one that matters is the middle one. The color of the middle.
And you see from here, there is an imbalance of price. And on this, whatever time frame, there is an imbalance of price. So we will mark out this zone right here.
Yes, sir.
From wick to wick.
Yes, sir.
And when we see price get a rejection off of this zone, that is a strong sign that price will continue in whatever direction or whatever color this candle is, either bullish or bearish.
Yes.
Future Tim will put some pictures of imbalances
Pictures over
right here.
That's why we're both on this side.
Shout out, Future Tim.
Shout out.
And one thing with imbalances is when you combine an imbalance with equilibrium, and equilibrium simply is just from one low to one high, or vice versa. From one high to one low, you get what's called a Gann box. You put it from the low to the high or the high to the low, and at that 50% mark is a high area for retracement or for possible continuation of price. And mixed with a fair value gap, say there's a fair value gap or an imbalance. An imbalance is a fair value gap. Say there's one of these right here, right? Price will very likely come right here, maybe hit EQ in the imbalance, and continue right up.
Very strong when they're together. Fair value gaps and EQ, very strong pair. As well as these other ones.
Indeed. And one more thing with the imbalance. An imbalance could get disrespected and become a confirmation confluence.
Yes.
And I think we did go over that a little bit in the confirmation video. Not too sure. But let's go over it again. Just so you guys understand that imbalances could both be a continuation and a confirmation depending on the context. Every single thing in trading depends on context. Please remember.
That's true.
A disrespected imbalance is formed when the imbalance that we previously had and thought price was going to retest into for continuation, it is formed when we have a closure on the same time frame of this imbalance when we have a closure above it. Remember, closure, very important. When the body or the open, the close, or whatever it may be is above or below
outside of it. If it flew through it.
Indeed. And that's going to take us right into order block. And an order block is only formed after a sweep of liquidity. So you do need to sweep a high or a low. Say if we swept down here, we have some more liquidity. Right? So, but an order block is only formed when we sweep liquidity. And pretty much what it is, it's the move that caused the break of structure.
It's the move prior to it. It's just move prior.
It's the move that swept liquidity pretty much. The move up or the move down that broke liquidity. So right here in this example, this move right here broke liquidity. We come right here, we put a box, and we're looking for price. After a break of structure, which we have here, we're looking for price to come back in and get a rejection, which order with liquidity sweep is what it's called. It's when we sweep liquidity, get an order block, and a break of structure. That is a very, 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 very good setup to get.
Yes, it is.
Good risk reward, good. And that also does give us strong draws. If anything, after a good liquidity sweep, we're reaching towards London lows, Asian lows almost immediately.
Yep.
So that's almost the play of the day if we do get a good sweep.
Oh, yeah.
And we are going to come into the key ideas. I don't know if Tim...
I went over this one.
These?
I did. I did not go over the second one.
So this second one it's really just a key idea, not really about trading
necessarily
just
at
not
all.
Just about trading, it's just about everything. You know, and it's behavior is a mirror in which everyone displays their image. And this was by Goth, as it seems. Sorry if I butchered that.
Take out the HE. What is he?
Goth.
No, he's
Goth bitch.
He's a goat.
Oh, goat. Okay. So
What
yeah,
the fuck?
just the way you act, just how disciplined, how patient, how just composed, calm, and collected you are in every moment. That will display your image, and that will display how you are on the chart almost directly. If you're disciplined, patient outside, I've said this multiple times, you will be disciplined, patient on the chart every single time.
Yep.
But I think that is where we are going to.
Oh, I want to say something about this quote.
Let's hear it, Tim. Come on.
I think this quote is really what separates the real from the fakes. You know, because I can't lie, right now I'm a fake, but I just don't think I have the experience of a real, if you know what I mean. But I'm getting there. I'm not a poser.
We're getting there.
I'm really a boring person that does stuff like this all day. And so, yeah, I'm getting there. But basically, this is a really good quote because you can say that you want to do this. You can plan that you want to do this. And it's almost like the small deeds done, great deeds, better than great deeds planned quote.
Indeed.
But whatever you say isn't really what's going on if your behavior is different. You know, and you need to hold yourself to the standard that you say you will do something, but you need to do it. Your behavior needs to match it. And of course, that's to myself. Nobody's perfect. But
it's kind of like actions speak louder than words. And that is just
exactly
so facts.
Exactly. In a better way, that's what that means.
And we are going to go surprise mid-market recap, midweek market recap.
What the fuck?
Mid-market. So
whoa!
These 2 days, bank holiday on Monday, nothing going on.
You know what?
Tuesday.
No. The bank holiday moved pretty nice, though.
Did it?
That morning, yeah. It went into London and kind of just had a steady uptrend out.
Really?
It closed at 1 p.m. New York time. But, yeah, it was pretty nice, actually.
So, bank holiday moved pretty good, I guess. Could have gotten entries there. Tuesday, I didn't really see no good entries. I did catch a trade, a short, I believe. Nope, I lied. A long.
I caught two shorts. You know what? Fuck it. I'll show them.
And
I'll show them. Coco, you're going to be covered for a second. All right.
And I did catch some.
Coco's going to submit his trades too. Come on.
I didn't take screenshots. I'm sorry.
He will next time.
I will next time. Wednesday, we had Trump speaking. We also did have the meetings from this one right here. We did have the final meetings, which was a red folder, but really price did move really, really well. We had really good 15-minute confirmation. We had a confirmation to the upside. We had a good continuation, really good entries for longs on
good
Wednesday.
Market.
And that's really all we can say right now.
No, market just went down a whole bunch.
Oh,
though.
really?
Actually, it had a really good sweeper at 9 a.m. Yeah. Market was, it was so good today. I slept through. I'm pissed. I thought Trump talking. I figured Venezuela and stuff. I figured trade talk, tariff talk. I figured market would be dumping in a crazy way, especially with WEFs. I should have looked into what they meant because clearly they didn't have that much of an effect on the market. So I guess an outlook for myself is study news more, inform yourself more, read more, find better sources, do better with your own time. Just always find the best way. You know, only give your time to something that would give you.
Give your time to your goals.
Give your time to something that will pay off.
Exactly, like that short we just dropped. Okay, about writing down things that will help you get towards your goal. Just everyday, daily things, daily things that you can do consistently that will help you get better. Do that instead. Read a book. Go to the gym. Get uncomfortable. Do your homework.
Yes,
jackass.
Sir. Yes, sir.
And that is where
fucking jackass.
Is that where we're gonna end it off, Tim?
I think so. I think we will continue with you guys with some risk management, risk reward stuff. This whole
how to
stop loss, take profit targets. All these neat words, these vocabulary that you guys will get to learn. Get your notebooks out. I hope they've been out the past couple of videos.
We forgot to tell you.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Get your fucking notebooks out. You know what? Go rewatch.
Yeah.
Go rewatch. If you didn't like it. If you didn't subscribe it. If you didn't turn notifications on, turn notifications on.
Let's go.
Hold up. Oh, we're going to do 3, 2, 1. Boom.
Let's go.
Hit those fucking notifications.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Join the Futurist family. Man, let's grow together.
Tune in for more teaching tapes so we can get this bread.
Let's get this fucking bread.
Every time one of us makes money in the market, a Jew loses money. Remember that.
Don't.
Remember that.
We're demonetized forever, bro. Never.
We're good.
We don't even gotta upload this, bro. Just because you said that on camera.
See you guys.